Okay,
15.
15 minutes.
Did you finish grading the rest of the
I'm
test?
sorry, no.
Everyone but yours.
Mine would have been the easiest one, all the answers were 0.
Weird, you got 35 right.
Okay. So, these we actually have a lot of good solutions for. So, section 14.4. Monica, do you have a page?
He's making fun of you.
I
Or
see.
1035.
10:35, yeah.
Yes. So, quick check. Only number 1. And problems, because we didn't do any of these. 2, 3, 4, 5. We just did the easy stuff here. So, pick your poison and most of these we have up there already. So pick ones that we haven't successfully solved yet, if you can differentiate.
14.4?
Yeah, 14.4, page 1035.
I just realized I have so many empty space.
You have what?
So much empty space on this one. I got 3 problems and that was it.
I don't know.
Barely.
Come on, Stuart, do the higher number ones.
The highest number is 8. Oh, 10. Sorry, 10.
It's 14.
No, all those ones I have circled.
Well,
Those were the limits that I had problems with.
the only ones I did were 7, 9, 1.
If you want to be black?
Huh?
Do you want the color black? I'll do 8 and 10.
What?
Did you do 8 and 10?
I have 2.
Or you can do 1 and 3.
I have 2, and then I have
I swear I saw something.
quick check 1, I guess.
No, go ahead and do 1 and 3.
I keep wanting to
I'll do
use
a
my
really-
dry erase marker on
That'd
this
be-
thing.
That'd be horrible. It'd be horrible.
Just tell me when you're done finding that.
I just think this is funny to erase and walk.
What?
I'm just walking, pushing around all the racing.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do my math here.
Okay. I fit.
No, this is horrible. I need my table. Put my book on.
Logistics.
That negative 3215 is going to be embedded in my head.
Gonna keep you from sleeping all night.
Sometimes
Nothing's
math.
gonna keep you from sleeping.
Sometimes math does keep me from sleeping.
I don't
Seriously?
keep you from sleeping, I know that.
Yes, I dream it. It's
Sometimes
horrible.
I'll just stay awake realizing I did while I'm on a public.
No, you know what I have to do? I have to go home and watch MTV Teen Mom in order to get to sleep at night.
That'll do it anyway.
Yes. Those JWoww and
I don't know how you can watch something like that.
I have to watch brainless TV in order to
All
home.
TV is.
Because I know if I watch something like that, I will become stupider. Just facts.
My husband hates it. I do it.
I make fun of my wife for watching reality shows and Oprah and things, and Dr. Oz.
Yeah, I can't watch that.
I don't know who said the quote, but someone said, small minds talk about things, or people, average minds talk about things, great minds talk about ideas. And so I brought that up to her a while ago, and then her TV shows, I'm like, all your show's talking about is people. I'm not saying anything. I can't argue with the person who made the
Not
quote.
saying anything, huh? Okay. AJ's developed quite a knack for 3D drawing.
Are you sure? Because I don't even know what that looks like. I just copy what's on my paper and hope it looks the same.
Well, who put it in the paper?
Anyway,
All right.
a future of myself that was busy doing something else.
Yeah, it's like a sailboat.
So that is one of the hardest things I have with this, putting stuff on the whiteboard. I'm like, I don't know what I was doing. I have no idea what was running through my head when I put this.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that must be an empty feeling, like you're just floating, not standing on solid ground. Oh, I know that feeling too, because sometimes I have it in my own solutions.
Like,
Totally lost touch with the solution.
right now, I'm just writing down what's on the sheet of paper, not
This
understanding
is
what's
somebody
happening.
else's, right?
Yeah, that's what I put on your hand, no, no, no,
Yeah. Stuart's copying his homework from Stuart. Not doing it himself.
Current steward is cheating off of past steward.
That's what's happening.
I got one. I don't know if it's right, but I
Oh.
did it.
Everything I have on my paper.
I don't know what I'm doing, I'm a dog.
Well, it was a week or two ago, I can understand forgetting.
I recognize the formula and I know how I got that, but the rest of the numbers, don't remember any of it.
Look, today I went back to go do like some of the conferences from WebTyco that I had to put videos and stuff on.
I've kind of got that again.
Yeah, it was Greek.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, no.
yay, arc length linearization,
What is that?
yay.
Is this a topic? Is this even a topic we covered?
Tangent line, y plus y
It's
plus
gone,
this.
it's
Yeah,
gone.
it's like, yay.
That's why cumulative finals don't make sense. And should not be used.
I have no idea if that's correct yet.
Or maybe that's why
Oh,
they should be
let me look it
used.
up. 14.5 number.
14.4, number
Oh.
Number 2.
2.
Yes, it's correct. It is correct.
Is that wrong?
I don't know if it's correct for the right reason.
No, he just has a different answer.
That's good. It was supposed to be easy.
Something went wrong. I
What did I
think
do
you might
wrong?
be in the wrong chapter or something.
What page is she working off of?
1036.
Number 2, right?
2x plus
Is
2y
that
plus
quick
z.
check or a real problem?
No, this is a real problem. Equals 6 in the first octant.
Well.
Express the area of the given surface. Oh, maybe I didn't.
Maybe
I had limits.
Maybe you looked at a tangent line or something. Maybe you did some different concept there.
See? It's
I
a
like
good
that.
thing I did that.
Oh, I see what you did. You just didn't finish the job, that's all.
Is there more to it?
Oh, there's a lot more to it.
Oh, I
I
thought it was
didn't know
simple.
No, this much is done, but you just don't understand. You didn't write down this. You have to write down this as your
Somebody
starting
explain
place,
this to me.
right? So write it down as your starting place, write it down under here.
Well, isn't that what I put in the brackets?
Yeah, but then you got shortcuts and you messed yourself up.
Okay.
I understand the
So-
part. I understand where I got that
DZ
Six.
squared
Right.
plus DZ dy
All right,
Number 7.
squared
all right, all right,
so d8.
right, okay, now substitute dA,
For
dx,
dx dy.
dy. Okay,
I kind of know that.
dx.
okay, now, bring your integral sign,
No, this one even
and
worse.
solve both of them. Double
Both of the
integral.
integrals.
And now square root sign, put in your numbers.
Okay, so
Two-
these
Two
numbers.
squared, yeah, just,
2 squared plus 2 squared plus 1
dx, dy.
dx dy,
Now go to the next step. That's a
which
3.
is 3,
Yeah, yeah, but write this
No.
stuff, integral, double integral,
double integral,
3,
and then 3.
I don't know why
dx,
the drawing
dy.
made me want ice cream.
You haven't
And
integrated
then
yet.
I have to
You haven't even
do
integrated yet.
the 3x.
This one?
3 comes outside, that's easy. But
Okay.
it's- No, and it's 3xy, no,
3.
xy,
and then
and the
x.
limits.
I just said, I don't know
Okay,
why.
so then I have to go find limits.
Yeah.
Oh.
You
Darn.
have to go find limits. So count this 3 problem.
I like just doing that.
I
part.
know, yeah, but,
That was the easy
yeah,
part.
you did that a year ago. It felt
don't-
good, didn't it?
I don't know how to
It
find
felt
my
good.
limits. I really don't. I'm so
Well, that's what
confused.
this section's all about. I mean, you haven't started the problem yet. So, So here we have number 3. Stuart finds limits.
Stuart can't
Stuart
remember how
has-
he did any of that.
Calculators if I
I
remember.
see, I have
Stuart
limits here, I
finds
just
correct
understand
limits
how I
too.
got
Oh,
there.
is that a y? What is that?
Oh, no.
You're doing the y integral first.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's what we want to
And-
do.
So I'm gonna have to go back and redo problems out of all these
So I know
sections,
this is
like
zero.
independently, to remember how to do them.
Okay.
I remember that formula, but I don't remember the rest of it. Finding limits in 2 dimensions is so,
Lynn, you didn't
so
do
old
any in
fashioned.
this section, you had none, huh? Just shoplifting.
Well, this,
Yeah,
7, 9, we
yeah.
already did them. Number,
that's not justification for stealing.
Well, Stuart has a very good number 3 up there. Into proceeding.
I don't know how I got the numbers.
I hate math.
You know what I think's really crazy about this? This is only useful when someone's like, you see that crazy object over there? What do you think the formula for that is? I don't know, let's figure it out.
These are everyday shapes, they occur, throughout the day.
But who cares what they're shaped like?
You want reality, look at
I just want base times height.
how it is. Look at the grade school.
Oh, sure.
Well, this is not
Help
a
me out, Lynn, you
cumulative
have the right
final, but
answers.
it sort of feels like cumulative, the way you guys are reaching back in time to stuff you totally forgot about 4 days ago.
This is only in 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions is so much more confusing.
That's neat, that's a great statement, I like that. That's actually true. How about 1 dimension, that's really scary.
Is that y equals 1?
Yeah,
How do I graph the point y equals 1? Where do I put it?
that's Monica.
I think for your, C, like, I'm not sure that, to find the limit is of course, yeah.
Alright, so what have we got there, number 7?
Goes from 0 to this. And then to, find the limits for y is
So
of
it's
for
3.
y.
And, do we have another right answer?
Who would make that?
It's so close.
It probably is.
If you
Because
change
it would
it,
be a negative
36
6
to
on the other
18,
side
you
then,
got it.
right? So it becomes a negative 6
it's the
equals,
only shortcut. So
or
this
do you
is
just
a
move
little
the y over?
Yeah, you want,
So that
I
was
just
the-
moved the y over.
It is.
Yeah,
It's probably
because we
somewhere
have,
around.
Yeah, so no, it's in the differentiation, you just drop the
plus
one
2y
half.
plus z equals 6.
Times over.
Because he, didn't do, find the
So we got
limits
about
for
4
y.
minutes till the fun's over.
So we
And,
move to x and z for the science. We move to x minus 6.
oh, it's just like it did when I left it.
I know, I'm still trying to figure out how to get limits.
Oh, we did this 2
So
weeks
that
ago.
would be my y, and that's my upper limit, because my lower limit is 0.
That's what I'm measuring.
No, you're right.
So it
Lynn
becomes,
can do limits, yes.
2y equals 2x minus z. Right? Is that what it is? And then you divide by 2. So it becomes 3 minus x minus z.
Okay, so what we're gonna do next class is put all unsolved problems,
Z over 2.
starting with 13.7 through 14.5.
So that would be my y
So
limit
come
over
in
here.
with all of them ready.
3, and I'm doing x, y.
Now you're-
Let's see where this goes.
I just
Number
get
9,
stuff that was on my
3
paper and
minus
just.
x
26.
Were you really frustrated on number 9?
over 2.
No, I just,
And then
I
I
don't
would do
understand.
2x equals 6 minus 2y minus z.
Your work is
Right.
converging at a limit off in the
You,
distance.
put 0 for.
They're both 0 on the bottom.
It's all going to one
When
point.
you, you're doing the x. Because you are doing the X.
Well, dxdy, so I need to solve for y.
Uh-oh.
So this is 3
It's
minus
not right,
y
Probably know that. I have a circle around, I have a question mark around it, so it's not right.
minus
the
z
board.
It's not that
over
far
2.
off.
Oh, and then you're saying that my y has to be
You've got
like a
26.
whole number.
Pi over 3.
It's
and
0 at the
What
bottom,
you really want is 65.
but my upper limit
But
is,
it's all
So it's not that far
for
off.
your upper limit.
Actually, I don't think it's really far off.
And,
Well, let's check your limits here.
um,
Square root of 7
y
to square root of
It's only
15,
7
0
pi.
to 2 pi. No, your limits
Oh,
are correct.
instead of
So you did the
2y?
calculus 3 part.
this,
Okay,
you
well,
have
There's
to-
a
As I said,
factor.
I don't know what I was writing on my paper, so I just.
No, you did the drawing right, you did the calculus 3 right, so you did what you're
instead of
supposed to do.
2y, I put 0.
If you can't
So
take
0
the derivatives, don't let
equals,
me know, I don't wanna know it. But that's just
so then
the only
it's
thing that could have gone wrong.
Well, you should talk to your
2x
accountant. Hear
equals
about it.
6
Well, I just
We
want
already
to,
know.
minus z
I want to know how I
divided by
got those
3.
limits. I got those limits, but I don't understand how.
Well,
So it's 2
Um,
minus z over 3.
I don't think it would be fruitful to convince you because you're the same guy that don't understand.
over two,
Once,
over
it's gonna happen
two.
again.
3 minus z.
But no, you did those very well.
Oh, but you got 3 minus z.
How'd you get 3
Yeah,
minus z?
no, you did it right, and your footprint's correct.
Put 0.
Oh, you don't do.
Your calculus one teacher lies in bed at night. Why can't AJ derivative?
Well, I just did actually integral correctly when I was doing Monica's
Y.
mine.
This z.
I can't do my own work, but I can fix
Equals-
other people's work though.
You're that kind of a
Equals
person, I
6.
know that.
Then you,
Oh,
You
you
have
tried
a
it.
TI-89. For some reason, I thought you said you had a TI-84.
then you
Make
find-
this 0.
Yes.
84
Then
is
solve
the
for x.
So this is the person
So
who
6
found his.
Okay, we've done what we can do today.
2x plus z
We're free to stop.
divided by 6.
Um,
I mean
Get
divided
some
by,
sleep or food or whatever
oh, minus
works for
6
you.
minus
And we'll
z
go Zoom on Wednesday.
then divide 2.
divided by 2. 3 minus.
I found out because
7z
someone
over
was
2.
lucky enough to drop theirs.
If anybody finds out that you have to register for your final, then just go ahead and register for your final.
And that goes here.
I
That
can
one
only
goes on
imagine
this one.
someone fails their
I thought
calculus
you
test
said
because
it
they
was
dropped
always
theirs.
just an interval.
Pardon me, sir?
I
Like
can only
a
imagine
6
someone probably
or,
fails their calculus test because they dropped theirs.
Yes, that was a
Because when I
lucky
first
time.
found it, there was a bunch of formulas on it, I just deleted it.
Oh, you shouldn't have. It would be interesting to save them now and see what they were, wouldn't it?
Yes, it says here first of.
The sad thing is, I didn't realize all the things
I
I could
don't-
do on here until this class.
I'll
I didn't
figure it
realize
out,
things you could do on it until practice either.
hopefully before Friday.
Yeah, because you do have to be able to take limits. You're not going to have success Friday.
I still have practice.
Somebody said it right. Okay. Okay, we're done. No new material, a good class. We needed to do this. Back and fill. Sounds like it stopped raining.
Is it the rainy season?
Just in Sawa, it's always rainy season.
No, it's always a cold
No,
season.
there's a time where it's just gonna be raining nonstop for like a month.
I think that's July, June.
I can never remember the beginning or end of summer. It goes one of the two.
I think beginning, it's beginning, because August gets dry. Yeah. Okay, good night, get some sleep.